Okay, next one up is this immaculate Ducati Multistrada. This is from the boys over at Moto Lab. They want a ceramic protection package, so we are going to wash this because it's got silicone all over it. But look how nice this is. It's got all the proper nuts and bolts on it. So we're going to give it a snow foam safe wash just to remove any contaminants. I will get this windscreen off. Look at that, they've even got the trick little bolts on that. We'll get the windscreen off so we can polish that. We will do two-stage machine polish on all this bodywork just to remove any imperfections, not that there is any on this because it is immaculate. And then we will airbrush the Ultimaxx ceramic. We're going to airbrush the Signature Pro on all the lower half, all the motor, all the wheels, and we will use the Signature Quartz on all this bodywork, which is a self-healing ceramic. Helps with any minor scratches. Get it looking like it should for the summer ahead. Okay, now in the studio, this Multistrada has been fully washed, blow dry, decontaminated. I must say this thing is a show winner. It is immaculate. Only thing I noticed is that wheel needs a bit of polishing on the other side. It's got a few marks on it. We're going to do a two-stage polish on all this bodywork, but I must say the rest of this thing is absolutely immaculate. Take that windscreen off, give that a polish, and then we will airbrush the ceramic on every nook and cranny. I'll polish up that exhaust down there. There you go. This Ducati Multistrada has now been fully trotted and looking absolutely stunning. This has got to be one of the nicest Multistradas I have laid my hands on. This has had one of our full works packages. That's including a two-stage machine polish on all this bodywork, and then we've treated it to the Ultimaxx ceramic. We've airbrushed the Signature Pro on all the lower half, all this motor, all these wheels. I did polish these wheels up as it had a few little marks in it. All that lower half has been airbrushed with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro, which is a 5-year ceramic. All the top half has had a two-stage machine polish just to remove any imperfections, and we treated that with the Ultimaxx Signature Quartz, which is a self-healing ceramic. Look at the freaking gloss on that. Absolutely gleaming. It is like a mirror. Don't forget, we are open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. You want to keep your bike looking its finest for years to come, get it trotted. Give us a call, 07966 249 963.